Hi everyone, my name is Paul Cuellar, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Google Pixel 6a. I just received this device yesterday. I was an early adopter to go ahead and trade in my old Google Pixel 4a 5G. So it's going to be a comparison. Obviously, I'm leaping over one generation. I did not get the 5a. Have my brother-in-law that actually has one, so we can get his take on it. But this is the first Google Pixel line using Google's new Tensor microchip. So they're not relying on another manufacturer this time. This is all theirs. And this will be the same chip that's in the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So they didn't go ahead and strip down the microchip on the lower version. This is kind of their lower to mid-range Pixel. I use it as a secondary device just to kind of get my hands on Android. So the Google Pixel 4a 5G has been working great for those needs. I've picked it up and used it, personally a few times. Otherwise, it's just to kind of test things out. But this one I'm very much excited for. Instead of going with just a basic black or white phone, went with the green color. So hoping, gets me to pick it up a little bit more and potentially use it as a daily driver. So today I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you and just kind of get my first impressions on its hardware. Of course, I need to set it up. Planning to use Google's backup capabilities to import my settings from my old phone to the new one. So we'll see how that goes, comparing it to, how iPhone's process works. So this will be interesting in that case. And love to just show it off right now. So I'm going to unbox it directly from the box I received. Actually, I'm also going to be doing a trade-in. So with my Google Pixel 4a 5G, they're giving me $300 for it, and I actually got it for $250 on a deal when I bought it through Xfinity Mobile. So this is definitely a profit in that case. And the remaining balance needed to pay is about $180. The phone goes for $449, closer to $500. So definitely save some money here. Getting a nice upgrade, and I'll be on the latest and greatest 6A device. So here we go. So you can tell right away this box is thin, which most likely means that it does not come with a charger, which is very typical. And I believe this is the first phone that got rid of the headphone jack as well. So this is the box. And wanted to bring up also that with this promotion, getting the Google Pixel 6a early on, it comes included with the Pixel Buds. So these are the Pixel Buds A series. These go for $99 typically, and got these for free. All right, so here's the box again, and we got a couple of little strips here. Pull that off. All right, nice and easy. So unboxing here, and there it is. Got a little tab, pull the phone up. There's that. Let's go ahead and set that aside, see what's in the box. So we have a standard USB-C to USB-C cable in white. We have a USB-A to USB-C adapter, which is nice. We got the SIM card poker right there. And I'm going to pull that out because I will need it. I'm going to swap in my Xfinity Mobile SIM card over. And of course comes with some documentation and just a little pamphlet. All right. So we got kind of a demonstration paper on front of the phone. Here we have the SIM card slot, and then it's saying that there's a USB-C connection here at the bottom, which of course it does. In-screen fingerprint scanner, volume down, volume up, and power. So again, no headphone jack on this one. All right, so let's go ahead and pull that up there. Phone, obviously just a black slate on the front, but we got this really cool green on the back. I do not feel any plastic on there, so there it is in all of its shiny glory. Cool. Let's go ahead and boot it up. Felt the vibrate. And there's the Google welcoming page. So the bezels are pretty thin. Not the thinnest, of course. We have the webcam here at the top built into the screen, which is nice. No notch. And this is a 6.1 inch screen, comparing it to the Google Pixel 4a 5G, which is 6.2, so slightly smaller. But I've read some reviews basically showing off that this is hopefully for most people a one-handed phone. Welcome to your Pixel, and we're going to get started here. So I won't be unboxing the Pixel Buds at the moment, just simply because I feel like I might be selling them and basically ending up with a even cheaper outcome for the Google Pixel. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see if I can go ahead and do some reviews and some other takes on this phone. Do look forward to it, but really don't want to put a case on this thing. It's really nice to not have to do that if I can, but obviously this is maybe glass or plastic on the back here, so definitely don't want to ruin it if I want to trade it in for the next phone. So that'll be it for now. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.